NSSR in the house. Hey, NSSR up in the house. You know exactly what that's about. I pull up at the track when it is a drive. You can see my race car on the back of the shirt. Oh, well, I'm hitting exactly where it hurt. Hey, look out. That bitch look good. I need to pull that car out. People rocking my shirt and my car in the garage. Okay, bet 400. Okay, what they gonna do? Okay, look out. All my people on TikTok. We got 1,500 people on TikTok. Hey, 1,700 people. It done went up quick, y'all. Oh, I'm at 1,900. TikTokers. Oh, 2,100. What's going on, TikTokers? Where y'all betting at, man? TikTok be going off. 2,500 on TikTok. Shout out to Ben Jean. 2,700 people on the TikTok. Hey, appreciate all my TikToks coming in. Okay, right lane. 3,200 TikTokers on here live. Hey, TikTokers, I'm also live on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, showing HD premium quality. If y'all want to check it out, you know, y'all want to, ooh, here come a good race. Twin turbo Mustang versus a turbo and nitrous S10 truck. So all my people that's watching, man, if y'all want to see it on widescreen, put it on your TV or something. We just made it up to 24,000 subscribers on YouTube. We just made it up to 24,000 subscribers on YouTube, trying to make it up to 25,000, and we got 3,000 people on TikTok. Look out, my TikTokers. Yeah, we betting and everything. Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win, y'all. Right now we are here at the Yello Belly drag strip live. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button. If any of y'all go over to my YouTube channel, y'all make sure to let us know that you came from TikTok. That way I give you a shout out. I'm trying to give you a shout out. Cap on me, V2 was wrong, guys. He was wrong. Hector G, looking for his $100. Hector. Miss you. Y'all on my, she on my YouTube channel? Okay, they on there, y'all. Fallen Assassin just came from TikTok. What's up with it? Fallen Assassin. Boy, he picked a badass name, didn't he? Tips for going Who else is there just came from? Anthony just came from TikTok. Look out, Ant. What's an emote royale in 1 hour and 10 minutes? TikTok, what's an emote royale? Is they talking about me? y'all. Right lane. Damn, I just found a new button. Head down, I'm a good line. Really, will you ball with me? Head down, I'm a good line. You don't wanna fuck with me. Head down, I'm a good line. Really, will you ball with me? Head down, I'm a good line. You don't wanna fuck with me.
We got a couple of lift tracks. Streamers out here, we got Merch TV on Twitch. Go check them out.
Look out, look out, hey, hey.
Go like and subscribe. Go show them got some love out here every week.
Hey. TikTok done went all the way down to 493 people. They get bored quick, y'all. Okay. Okay, got the bop band out here. Let me see if these people, I don't know these people. Look out, y'all. Y'all on my YouTube channel. Look out racing. Yeah, miss. It's going down. Make sure you sígueme a mi canal. Dile tu tío. Dile tu abuelito. And dale me gusta. Yeah, make sure you dale me a like. Already, y'all. Thank y'all.
Look at where you at, look at.
I'm trying to see something. Oh, right lane got on in it.